In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to view 3D buildings along a route in Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Maps in the app or in the web browser. For this guide, I'm going to use a web browser. Now search for the destination. Once the location appears, click the directions and enter your starting point. Google Maps will generate the best route based on your selected mode of transportation, whether you are driving, walking, or cycling. After your route is displayed, click the Layers button in the bottom left corner of the map and switch to satellite view. This step is important because 3D buildings are only available when you are using the satellite map. Next, zoom into a city or urban area along your route. Keep in mind that 3D buildings are only available in supported locations, so you will usually see them in major cities with detailed mapping data. To activate the 3D perspective, click and hold the map while dragging with your mouse. On most browsers, you can also hold the Shift key while dragging to tilt the map. As you tilt the view, the flat map transforms into a realistic 3D perspective, allowing buildings to appear with their actual height, shape, and structure. You can continue following your route while staying in the tilted satellite view. Your route remains visible, making it easier to understand upcoming turns and nearby landmarks while viewing the surrounding buildings in 3 dimensions. You can also zoom in for more detailed building models or zoom out to see a wider view of the city and your entire route. Keep in mind that 3D building coverage is not available everywhere. It's most common in major cities and highly mapped urban areas, while smaller towns and rural areas may only display standard satellite imagery without 3D models. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.